G'day adventurers, going to show you a bit more on the pocket chainsaw today. Remember, I've got one in my back pocket. I'm going to show you the benefits and how to use it properly. So one of the main benefits are, and as you can see, we're at a little campfire spot here. Everyone likes to have their logs. Sometimes the logs are a bit too big for the campfire. Now this can become a tripping hazard, and the last thing you want to do is trip over this, cause yourself some harm, or even spread the coals into the area and cause an emergency, and that's the last thing you want. So I'm going to show you why this is so important to have with you. So one of the first great features, obviously, it's compact size. Handy little pouch, nice and easy, very compact. And another great feature is its length. Over 60 centimeters allows you to get around a really good sized log if you need to cut anything big. So as with everything, safety is paramount, so always make sure you're wearing a good set of leather gloves. So as you can see, cut through that really nice and quick, nice and efficiently. So I've cut that log to a good size. I remove the tripping hazard, pop my log in there, and I can cut up some more to the right size. So as you can see, it's a really practical tool to have around you at the campfire, particularly for cutting up logs. But not only just that, it's a practical tool for many uses. Around the house, cutting a big tree across your track if you're out full driving. As well as we spoke about the length, if you're really adventurous and you absolutely needed to, you could even cut down a tree like this.